about how can you find messages on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on chat, click on it here. When you click on chat, then you click here on chats. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all chats you have in this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here can you find general chat, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you here in this list on your Pocket Option app. So that's all you have to do to find chat. So in here I'm going to close here general chats. Then it's going to show when you want to close it, just click in this sign here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.